Okay, you guys. Oh man, I haven't unboxed the Champion Crasher Hot Wheels monster trucks in a while. Today I went to Target. I found greatbite, guys. The trophy is an actual T-Rex. That is amazing. The trophy up there, Trophy Champion Hot Wheels monster trucks. A new mix, by the way. Here's the back. Bigfoot, which I need. 5-alarm, need it. Sneakerhead, need it. Torque Terror, Piranha, and of course this one. There's the render. Greatbite. Pretty nice, and I personally love this casting that they've done. Further ado, let's go and open it. Oh, that came out of nowhere. Ooh. Here's the trophy. I'll show you the trophy now. There it is, guys. There's a T-Rex with flames and some buildings in the back. It's destroying something. Monster trucks. Nice little trophy detail. Bottom of it. So you can build these. But let's get to the beauty. Look at this, guys. Greatbite. Oh my god. Look at that golden roll cage, rims and beadlocks, and then metal flake paint, gold windshield, gold jaw, gold teeth and pink gums. All these monster trucks, and then this part as well, which is really beautiful. It's like the gold almost looks see-through this one, but I don't think it is. The little lightning detail. So I recommend this version of the normal one's cool, but I think I like the golden one more. So that's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share guys more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.